Alright, so here's level 2, finding slope. Remember, slope is rise over run. How much did it change vertically over how much did it change horizontally? So I'm writing them both ways here for you. So I want to show you how to figure this out when you're looking at a graph. So let's take a look at this first graph, example 1 here. Alright, so if you're looking at the line, you already know that your slope, just by looking at the line, is going to be positive. How do I know that? It's moving uphill, right? So positive slope. Next thing I want to know is how much did it change? Okay, so vertically, if I'm going from this level right here and I'm going to go all the way up to this level here, I'm going to find out how much did it change. Well, it went up 1, 2, 3. It went up 3. So over here I'll just put up plus 3. So up 3, and then how far did it go across? Well, it started here and it went all the way to this part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It moved over 7 spots. And so my slope is positive 3 over 7. So it goes up 3 over 7, I'm on that line again. Up 3 again over 7, I'll be on that line again. I'll continue on forever. Okay, so there's that example. Example 1. Let me show you another example. What about this line here? Scoot it down a little bit. Once again, I'm looking for my slope. That's example 1. Example 2. Let's take a look. Well, automatically I know that my slope is going to be negative. How do I know that? Well, it's moving downhill. Remember, you look left to right, so it's moving downhill. So now I ask myself, okay, so how far vertically did it change? Well, it went from here all the way down to this level. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4. It went down 4, so negative 4. Then, well, you can tell I'm doing this between passing periods. So here we go. Last part here, how much did it change horizontally? Well, it only moved to 1 spot. So 1 spot, that would be my slope, negative 4 over 1. All right, one last one for you. Example number 3, this one right here. Okay, so example 3, I want to know what my slope is. So some of you might see it right away. Say, wait a minute, I remember that in class, but let's pretend we didn't know that. Look over here. Well, how much did it change vertically? I went from this line and I stayed on that line. So the vertical change is 0. I didn't move at all up or down. But my horizontal change, well, I moved over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spots. Well, if you know 0 divided by anything is going to give me 0. So my slope here is 0. A lot of you probably knew that ahead of time because you knew that a flat line, remember the example in class, how much fun are you having on a roller coaster that's completely flat the whole time? 0 fun. Okay, so check those out. My next video will be if they just give you the points and they don't give you the graph, how then do you find the slope? All right, good luck.